If your dog looks at you like you're crazy for refilling their water bowl, you might have a camel in disguise. First up, the kangaroo rat. This little guy gets all its moisture from the seeds it eats. No need for water, just munching away. Next we have the koala. These cuddly creatures get their hydration from eucalyptus leaves. Talk about a leafy beverage. Third on the list, the thorny devil. Not only does it look cool, but it drinks rainwater through its skin. Nature's own water filter. Fourth, the desert tortoise. They store water in their bladders for months. Talk about tanking up. And finally, the sand gazelle. They reduce their breathing rate to avoid losing water. Now that's efficiency. So there you have it. 5 animals living life without a sip of water.